technical drawing. We're going to try to draw that as best as possible. That is an expo marker. That's my title. You should always have a title. And then try to draw it as best you can. It doesn't have to be life size. This one must have been in my pocket or something because it's a little bit dirty. Okay, so you make your drawing of it as best you can. It's not bad. And then, let's just see if there's any lines on this. Then label it. I like to have arrows pointing at what I want, and then them always ending in a horizontal line. So make your arrow come out at an angle if it needs to, and then at a horizontal line. And I would call this the cap. Maybe this the marker body. I'm going to call this the printed label because it's not like a sticker label. Ooh, I kind of got some dirt back here. It looks like maybe I chewed on this marker. I feel like I didn't chew on this. I hope I didn't. That's gross. That's about all the parts of this. It's not that exciting as far as having many parts. And then, you know, there's maybe some shading. I have a pen, so my pen doesn't shade as well as maybe a pencil would, but it is kind of darker down here. That's kind of more artistic, but. And then we need to write a description. So we need to have the detailed drawing, the title, labels, and a description. This marker is used to write on whiteboards or glass by applying a dyed liquid, period. To erase, wipe with felt, soft cloth, or your hand. Note: wiping this marker off with your hand may cause discoloration. Okay, so that's your technical drawing. Now you do something similar for the image of the item attached in the classroom. I'm excited to see what you draw. And then when you're done, take a picture of it and post it in your journal. Good luck.